Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com. Discover a stunning 2-bedroom condo for sale in Manati at Cocotal Golf Country Club for $224,900. Located in a prime area of Bavaro, this condo offers easy access to downtown Punta Cana, Coco Bongo, and Playa Bavaro. Plus, Punta Cana International Airport is just minutes away, making travel a breeze. Inside, this well-designed condo features 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open living area, and a private terrace. Ground floor units even include a swim-up terrace for that resort feel. With 2 parking spaces included, convenience is guaranteed. As a Manati resident, you'll enjoy Cocotal's top-tier amenities, including a 27-hole golf course, pool, and clubhouse. Plus, exclusive perks at Melia Caribe Hotel provide access to a beach club, spa, gym, and more. This condo is also Airbnb friendly, making it a fantastic rental investment in Punta Cana. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact us today to schedule a tour and make this Caribbean dream yours.